Give away electrons. Yeah, moving electrons around is chemistry and also electricity. Atoms of the metals in group 1 give away 1 electron. The metals of group 1 give away 1. Yes, that's much better. Try not to make it too complicated. Electron. Electrons move in chemical reactions so that atoms have the same number of electrons as a noble gas. Noble gas. Noble is how to say noble. Metals in group 2 want to lose 2 electrons to be like a noble gas. Yes. Magnesium loses 2. Magnesium is in group 2 in the periodic table, and it loses 2 to be like neon, because neon's a low energy happy electron state. Metals in group 3 want to lose 3 electrons to be like a noble gas. Yes, if you look in the periodic table and you take 3 electrons off of aluminium, it becomes like neon as well. When atoms have a full outer shell of electrons, like a noble gas, they are in a low energy state. Energy. Look at these numbers on a Google periodic table. Metals. Good. Number 1. The metal that starts with 11 electrons is called sodium. Sodium atoms would have to lose 9 electrons to become like the noble gas helium. This is too many. To be like neon, sodium has to lose 1 electron. Sodium would have to gain 7 electrons to be like yes. No way, this is too many. Argon? Helium, neon. No way, this is too many. It does make sense. Sodium does the easiest of these 3 options. It loses 1 electron to become like the noble gas called neon. Let's get rid of that, it doesn't need the 4. What are the group 1 atoms? These are what the group 1 atoms do when they react. Lithium will lose 1 electron to become like helium. Sodium will lose 1 electron to become like neon. Potassium will lose 1 electron to become like argon. Li is short for lithium. Na is short for sodium. K is short for potassium. Rb is short for rubidium. Rubidium will lose 1 electron to become like krypton. Cesium will lose 1 electron to become like neon. Cesium. Group 1, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium are in the first vertical column on the left side of the periodic table. Group 1 is called the alkali metals. Alkali metals are the lose 1 electron guys. Atoms start with the same number of proton pluses as electron minuses. Alkali metal atoms with one electron gone are more stable. Atoms with one electron gone have one ion. Are written beryllium, magnesium and calcium are in group 2. Called the alkali earth metals. The alkali earth metals are the lose 2 electron guys because they lose 2 electrons when they react. Group 2 atoms become stable when 2 electrons have gone, making 2 ions, 2 plus ions, written Be2, Mg2 plus, Ca2 plus, Be2 plus. Aluminium is in group 3, so it loses 3 electrons when it reacts to become the cation Al3 plus cation. Wow, okay, that wasn't the easiest way of... Anyway, sodium is in the first vertical column of the periodic table. This is group 1. Sodium will lose 1 electron when it reacts, so that it has the same number of electrons as the noble gas called neon. Metal atoms that have lost electrons to become like a noble gas are called ions. Ca is the chemical symbol for calcium. Cool. Press my picture to get more of my videos. Press like, press subscribe. Bye. Oh.